points Python for data science. Today we will see a very important library of Python called Matplotlib. So open a new notebook. I am giving the name lesson 14 Matplotlib introduction and clicking on connect. Then you can click here import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, and we will also import another library numpy. With these two libraries we are going to see how Matplotlib, as the name says, plot is a library of Python that allows you to make different plots. Let us have two data that we want to plot. One is numpy.linspace and let y be numpy.sine. We want to plot these two data points. So I am just making a small change here. Let this be 0 to 10 and let this be y. So x and then y. These are 11 points. Okay, from 0 to 10 and corresponding y. So plt.plot, if we say x comma y, let us give this a color y, which means the yellow color. Title and plt.show, and then you can see how we have got the plot here from 0 to 10. Here there is x-axis, y-axis, title, and we have got the plot of data. So this is the way we can make a plot in Matplotlib, by giving the x and y details and plot, as well as the label, title, and then show. One more thing we can do is have multiple plots. So that is using the plt.subplot. Let us say that in subplot we have to give the number of rows. So 2 rows, 1 column, and first plot. And then similarly we can write say 2 rows, first column and second plot. So there are 2 plots now. Let the first plot be x and y, and let us say that I want it to be in the color red. And then we have a second plot where we have the same data x, y, or we can write inverse y, x, and color green, let us say, and then we write plt.show. So now we have got the 2 plots, one is in red and one is in grid. First is the row number 1, second is the row number 2. In this way we can have multiple plots using the subplot command. We can go even further, create a 2 by 2 grid of plots. So something like this, 2 by 2 grid, 2 rows and 2 columns, and then the plot number. So 2 2 we write 2 here, then we can have second row and column number. We can take the number of rows, number of columns, first, second, then we can have the third plot and the fourth plot. So I will write 3 and I will write 4. Color I will give different. I will give it blue or black color, and I will give it the yellow color. So now we have got, see, blue, green, yellow, 4 different plots. So subplot is highly useful in Matplotlib. We can have multiple things, we can achieve multiple things using subplots. One more thing we can do is axis. So we can, let us say we want to plot. So first I will create plt.figure and let me have some data here. I will have data points x and y. Again the same data points x and y I will take as the square of x. So x and y both I've done. And then we create axis ax. So axis we can decide left, bottom, width and height. This is left, bottom, left, then bottom, then width and then height. And we can also give some labels. So set x label, y label, title and then plt show. Then we can remove this line. So we have got x, y, we have got title and we have got our figure. So that is the advantage of using this plots and axis. If you have multiple plots, that is also possible using the plot command. Here we can decide the axis of these plots. So we have, many basic use cases of having plots in Matplotlib. Further we will see how we can save the figures. So let us have figure dot save figure and we can give a name, plot dot png. So now here you can see plot dot png is there and it is having the figure saved. We can also add some arguments, dpi 300, that is we can improve the sharpness of the figure. So that is the advantage of having using Matplotlib in your plotting in Python. In this way we have seen several different things that can be done in Python and in Matplotlib. We can see some other plots in the next video. Thank you for watching. See you again.